Alright, let's get it going. It's question 1071, greatest common divisor of strings. So we're basically trying to find the greatest possible string that we can get that divides both of them. So for this one it would be like ABC, because they both do that. This one it would just be AB, because this full ABAB doesn't fit in that one, and then these are just two completely different strings. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to have an if statement that checks and see if there is. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to add the strings together, and then we're going to add them reverse. And if they have a common divisor, then they should equal each other. So if string 1 plus string 2 does not equal string 2 plus string 1, return this, because that would mean there is none. And then we're going to use the fractions library up here, and that's going to give us the length of the most common denominator. So if we do this equals GCD string 1 and string 2. And then after we do that, so it's going to basically give us, for this one right here, it's going to equal 3. Because like ABC is the most common denominator. But then we're going to return string 1, put the slice of it up until the greatest common denominator length. Alright, yeah, let me know if you have any questions, because I'd love to help you out.